Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta will present her 100-day report card today at 11 a.m. at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Delhi. On this occasion, all the ministers of the Delhi government, all 7 MPs of Delhi, some union ministers, all 48 MLAs of Delhi BJP and senior BJP leaders will also be present. Yes, Mehendi, what can you tell us? Please take us through the details.
Well, Malvika, it is a very important day for the national capital as the newly chosen government, the Rekha government, has completed 100 days, and marking 100 days in the office, Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta yesterday has released a workbook outlining the government's key public welfare initiatives since assuming power, and not only this, calling it a living document. Rekha Gupta also mentioned that the workbook reflects the city's ongoing development and also journey and not just a report card. So today also it is very important to note that, in the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium at around 10 to 11 a.m., Rekha Gupta will also be telling that what all have been done in these first 100 days of her newly appointed government. And in this particular event, all the, the newly appointed MLAs, the cabinet ministers will also be present, the MPs will also be present, and, in front of everyone, Rekha Gupta, the CM, will be telling that what all, have been done in these 100 days. And over the next 10 days also, Malvika, the workbook that was presented yesterday will be taken to all 70 assembly constituencies through public meetings with MLAs and also the ministers that will engage with the residents and also seek feedback for the upcoming days as well, for the future planning as well. So a grand public event, as I already mentioned, Malvika, is scheduled for today at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, where the government will present its first 100-day progress report, which they have named as their workbook, and taking a dig at the previous administration as well. Rekha Gupta has said that those, governments has sought fame when they were in governance and taking a drive at the Aam Aadmi Party and also Arvind Kejriwal. But she assured the people of the Delhi that the BJP is a government that will deliver whatever is required for the public of this state. So yes, it is very important day for Delhiites today, because today Rekha Gupta, the CM of Delhi, herself will be telling that what all have been achieved in these first 100 days. Yes, Malvika.
Thank you for joining us, Mehendi.